Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Now today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be live bidding on Copart's website. I've been on the hunt for another project for a little while now. I've got my eye on a few cars. I've also got my eye on a van, so we'll see how we get on with that one. Now I'm also obviously going to show you how it works, how the bidding process works. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but we'll see if we can come away with a car. That'd be nice. It's been a while since I've had a car on the channel, so I know I've sort of swayed away from, you know, the buying and the selling of the cars, but we're now back in full swing of things. I'm going to put the Mark IV on the back burner at the moment. The whole point of the channel was to you know, hence being called Car Trader Diaries, was to document the buying and the selling of the cars. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So yeah, we'll see what we get up to today. I don't quite know how this video is going to pan out, but yeah, we're just gonna go with it, see what we can come back with, what we can win, if we do win anything. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, if you do, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. We're now back into the full swing of things, like I said, so we're going to be focusing on the buying and selling and repairing of cars, and vans maybe. But yeah, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure you do. Right, let's get into it. Right guys, so we're doing a bit of live bidding now. I have actually just bidded on a van, and I am the winning bidder. It was 1150. They've counter bid me £1,500. I've stuck to 1150. So if that comes through, then happy days. There's not a great deal to be done to that. It's more sort of a van to sell on and make a bit of profit. But I'm looking for obviously a car at the moment that needs repairing. And I've got my eye on this Corsa. It's a, what is it? It's an SRI 2010. It's a 96,000. It's a category N. Now, if you have a look at the pictures, you can see there's a bumpers come away from the clips there. Is in need of a good clean. Look on the back there, you look at the rear bumper, it's come away there. The max I'm sort of willing to pay on this is going to be sort of £600. It's on 500 at the moment, so I'm not going to hold my breath. As you can see there, it's running. That's that rear bumper we just see there, and oh no, that's the other side. And the front bumper there has come away. So yeah, let's see how we get on with that. So it is, we're on 4019, it's 4022, so we're 4 away. So let's see how we get on. Right, so here we are now. 525 it's on at the moment. It's on 550. Do I bid? Do I not bid? Yeah. No, I didn't bother bidding on that. I just thought, for what it was, by the time you've got it fixed, and obviously bearing in mind it's a category N, I think, you know, there's a, we've already done a Corsa as well, so 2007, 111,000, got rear bumper damage there, as you can see. I really do like this car. The colour, it's got a scuff on the arch trim, and we've got another. Now this is a Mini Cooper S. I think it's some sort of edition one, maybe, possibly. See, there's no sort of visible damage from what I can see. Again, on the rear, nothing that sort of stands out. It's not showing a start in there. It's done 140,000. There's a scuff on the bumper there. Again on the bumper. Now it's a category N. So I wonder why that's a category N. Where it's been where it's been knocked, and there's no additional notes. Comes with the keys. It's 140,000. Their estimated retail value is £1,625. I'm not too sure on that, to be honest, but it's on £425. So I think I'd go for I'd bid 600, allow 150 to get the rear bumper resprayed, and takes it up to sort of 750. By the time you've got your cost, you're looking about about £900. So if you can sell it for £1,300 there's a few £100 profit in that. Excuse me. We'll see how we get on with that one there. When is that up? 2098. 2098.
Sold.
We're on 2036. Look at that. That's lovely. TTS. Right, 2098. Let's have a look. When's that going to be coming up? We're just sort of going to come in and out today, guys. Just to do a video on literally live bidding. There's a Corsa there I'm watching as well. It's going to be an hour, 2098. And then, yeah. So we've got the Corsa coming up first. And then the Corsa's on 575 at the moment. Just show you this, guys. This is a used, unrecorded. It's only on 56,000. It's a 5-door. It's an SXI. Yeah, 2011 plate. Let's have a look. Internet's rubbish. A mileage discrepancy has been indicated on the HPI check. Interesting. There's a bit of damage there on the rear quarter. And yep, there's another bit of damage on that same side. Interesting. It doesn't show the retail value of that. So it's 11 reg. It's done 56,000 miles. It's a 1.2. Number of keys 2. Alloy wheels 16. So MOT recorded mileage history on gov.uk consistent. NMR check discrepancy indicated. HPI states MOT expiry date 22nd on Vauxhall Adam there. It's on 1850. It's a 19 reg. As you can see, the airbags have been deployed. It's taken a pretty big whack on the front. It's folded the bonnet in. The bumper, I'd assume, needs replacing as well. Yeah, you can see it's all sort of crumpled there. The headlight as well. But the wing, interestingly enough, the wing looks to be okay. And on the rear as well, it's got a little, it's been taped up on that rear section there, so obviously you have to take that into consideration as well. Now, yeah, both airbags have been deployed. Interesting. This is the great thing about this car. It's done 1,747 miles. It's nothing. Yeah, as you can see, look, the bumper's taking a bit of a nudge. We'll start on 1850. We go back here. Now, my bids. Now, obviously, I mentioned that I bid on a van. It's a Vauxhall Combo 2014. 122,000 miles. It's used unrecorded. Now, I won the auction for £1,150. Now, the seller put a reserve in it that was £1,500. Now, they said, did I want to counter bid? I stuck to my guns. I kept it at £1,150. And he's come back and he's dropped £50. Counter bid me at £1,450. Now, let's have a look here. It's a 64 plate. It's got a little bit of a HD picture up. It looks like it's got a little mark up the top there. I'm not too sure what that is. But if we go on to the next one. If it wants to load. I don't know if that's dirt or That's a mark on there. Right. $122,000. Doesn't look to be any engine management lights on, and it runs, as you can see. Right. See if this is some damage here. Wants to load. Right, yeah. So some damage on that rear panel, rear quarter there. Nothing too severe. You can just sort of need a sanding down and a respray on that section there. There's nothing that can't be done. So yeah. Now, do I up my bid or not? I will. Do I want to go to 12? Interesting. Decided against upping my bid. I've stuck to my guns. I'm staying at 1150. Now, with the age and the condition of the van, with the mileage as well, I could probably put it up for around £1,800, but then you've got to remember I've got fees on top of the 1150, so it'd probably come in about £1,400 once I've got the van. Once I paid all the fees and got the van delivered, I'll probably be coming in sort of £1,400. So I need to keep the cost down as much as I can. So, you know, it's no skin off my nose if I don't win it. But yeah, we'll keep an eye out for this and see how we get on, see what he comes back with. But at the moment, it's sent that current bid over. So we'll wait to see if he declines it, accepts it. We'll keep coming sort of in and out.
Next on the block, new bidder.
Have a little bid. Let's go. I got to 450, I think. We'll go 5. Nope, I'm not going to go any more than that. You can have it. That's on reserve anyway. Now, we need to get a move on because the Mini... Where is it? There we go. 2098.
Sold.
Fourth in line. Third now. I think we'll go. It's a difficult one. I mean, we'll go 550. No, it's high mileage. We'll go 500 on that one. Just wait for this to run its course. It's a nice little Honda Civic there, 2006, 80,000 miles, 475 is a pure sale as well. Someone's getting a good deal there.
Sold. Sold on approval. Your watch item is next on the block.
Let's have a little punt. No, straight back in it. 500, we've got one more. Go. We've just won ourselves a Mini Cooper. It's a Mini Cooper S. Okay, so as you've just seen there, we've just won a Mini Cooper S. It's actually a Mini Cooper S Checkmate Edition. Now, I said that I would set my budget at 500. Now, I don't quite know what happened, but I clicked bid at 500, but I must have double tapped and it's double bidded and it's gone to 525. But we won the car. We won it for £525. I think including fees, I've won it for just over 700. So you know, hopefully there's a little bit of money to be made in it. That there's not a great deal from the pictures that needs to be done to the car, but it is pretty high mileage, so that will go against it when we come to sell it. So we'll see how we get on. I mean, it's good bit of content for the channel. I hope you guys are excited for us to get this car and to get stuck in and start working on the car. Now, in regards to the Vauxhall Combo van, the seller did counterbid me again. He counterbidded £1,200. Again, I stuck to my guns and I stayed at 1150, so I'm still just waiting to hear back. Fingers crossed we get that for 1150, and that'll be you know, a good bit of content for both of them vehicles on the channel. So I'm excited. You know, it's exciting things. So I've had a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We've got a lot of content to come on the channel now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it a day there, and I'll see you soon. The car is due to be delivered to me tomorrow, so that is a good turnaround. So I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.